So just keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to get this. It's super insane, guys, and it's totally updated.
Hey guys, so if you enjoy your time on Last Day on Earth, I will show you a Last Day on Earth mod. So let's get into the video. So I'm just going to show you guys right here. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu, I can actually turn on unlimited coins. So I just turn that on. So let's see if they go up. So as you can see, I have this value right here. So yeah, no rise. I wished for more. I wished for it, guys. Give me something. Come on now. Whoa! So I'm going to show you this Last Day on Earth mod, how to download it for iOS and Android. So let's get into the video, bro. So first thing is first, go to this website, guys, matrixmods.com. All right, let me just type this. So it's matrixmods.com, and then search bar, and then type the last day, and there it is. So before it downloads, we will do verification. So this is the last step. Basically, you have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So yeah, let's see. All right, it's loading right now. So I'm just gonna wait, and then it's gonna say missing files. So just gonna download some of these. So like Family Island says reach level 10 to game, so I could do that. Travel Town reach level 9. Underdog down and run for 30 seconds. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, but make sure you do 2 of these, and then you'll get Last Day on Earth hack for unlimited coins. Super cool. So I will see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe, and peace out.